Hi guys, I'm FNAF fan here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Jumbo Josh action figure. I finally found him. I also got him from Smith's, just like Banban and Nab Nab. I've already done a review on them too, so that's why I'm just reviewing the Skyline. But nothing much to packaging compared to them two, but because this is a different video, I'll cover it over again anyway. So, you know, you've got all the legal crap there, and the logo on the back. Collectors all, you know, I've got them all now. There's reviews for Banban and Nab Nab on the channel already if you want to go see them. And of course there's Jumbo Josh. The back of the boxes I've noticed are different for each one. Like for Jumbo Josh here, it's got like half of Jumbo Josh and like Slow Selena, and I don't know if it's got anyone in the middle because Jumbo Josh is mass. No, it's got no one else in the middle. And it has like a warning sign on the front of the box, which I just find really funny. Then it says like Series 1, like 6+. But yeah, other than that, there's nothing much to a box, so let's just get him open. So here he is out of box, and he looks really good, honestly. I think he might actually be my favourite of them all. Now, as you can see, he's got a lot of articulation. He should be way bigger, realistically, but Phatmojo they hate increasing the size of their boxes. Like, if you look at his box, it'll be the exact same size as Banban's and Nab Nab, so that's why, like, he's, like, not as big as he should be, because they just don't like doing that, which does kind of annoy me, but I can see why. They don't do it 'cause it's like to save money, but he's well articulated. Like, his arms on like a proper full hinge rather than like with Banban and Nab Nab, they just don't like a swivel. So for articulation, he's got a swivel in the head, he's got a hinge for both arms, and then he's got like another hinge joint here for like his fists, which is really cool. Then for legs, he's just got, it's on a bit of a ball joint, but because of like the back and that, it doesn't give you much rotation, but like you can move the legs, which is cool. So 7 points of articulation in total, so he's quite good. Nab Nab is obviously the most articulated of them all, but that's because he's got knee joints when none of them have. Banban really could have done with knee joints because he doesn't have them. But anyway, for his accessory, he comes with a Gavanium barrel, or Givanium, or however you pronounce it. I call it Gavanium. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's obviously very tiny, but that's because the figure is massive, so they deliberately shrunk the accessory to fit in the box. Because, like, if you compare it to the other accessories, like, the freaking drone remote is bigger than it, which is obviously inaccurate, but for some comparisons, here is Jumbo Josh to the minifigure, so obviously the action figure towers over him. Then here's to Banban, which Banban is obviously taller because of like his devil horns with the party hats on, but Jumbo Josh is just overly bigger. Then here's to Nab Nab. I think they're about the same height, if not. Nab Nab might be just a tiny bit taller. Then we've also got Huggy Wuggy. Huggy Wuggy's obviously taller here, but Jumbo Josh is just overly bigger. Then thought this would be the most appropriate size comparison. Here's him to Green, which Green is taller, and I don't really know who you'd call bigger here, because like Green looks quite large because like his arms and legs sticking out so much, and with how tall he is. Same with Jumbo Josh, so I guess they're about like the same size. But anyway, he's a very cool action figure, and now I have them all, so gotta wait probably a year until Series 2 comes out, because Phatmojo like to have like a massive gap in between each series, which is a bit annoying, but at least it's not too chaotic, because, well, they're already making Poppy Playtime Rainbow Friends Doors and Garten of Banban toys, so it'd be chaotic if they did 2 series of them each year, which I wouldn't actually have the money for. But anyway, Jumbo Josh, he's very cool. As you can see on the back, he's got like, says all the licensing and stuff, which is a bit annoying, but they have to put it on there. But anyway, this is the full lineup. Just gonna have to repose Nab Nab because he can't actually stand. But that is all 3 of them, so my next video will probably be on all the Ruin stuff, the action figures and plushies, because I'm not getting anything else whenever they come out in the UK. I mean, some people are already getting the action figures in, but that's because they got them from Entertainment Earth, which I can't get them from over in the UK here, so I have to wait for Funko Europe. I mean, I could probably get them from Entertainment Earth, but it would probably cost a fortune in shipping, so I'd rather just wait a bit. But anyway, that is going to be it for today's review, guys. Bye.